Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your credit card rewards with Chase Ultimate Rewards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your credit card rewards with Chase Ultimate Rewards, start by understanding the program. Familiarize yourself with the different Chase credit cards that earn Ultimate Rewards points. Consider applying for a card that offers a higher earning rate on categories that match your spending habits. Look into the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve cards for premium benefits. Once you have your card, enroll in the Ultimate Rewards program if you haven't already. Log into your Chase account and navigate to the Ultimate Rewards section. Check if your card allows for point transfers to partner airlines and hotels. Explore the categories where you can earn bonus points, such as dining, travel, and groceries. Use your card strategically by putting all eligible purchases on it to maximize point accumulation. Set up automatic payments for bills to ensure you never miss a payment, which can help maintain your credit score. Take advantage of promotions or limited time offers that may increase your points earned. Keep track of your spending categories and adjust your purchases to align with the highest rewards. Consider pooling points with other Chase cardholders for larger redemptions. Learn about the value of your points by looking into booking travel versus cashback. Use the Chase Travel portal to book travel directly with your points for potentially higher value. Review your account regularly to monitor your points balance and keep an eye on expiration dates. Stay informed about any changes in rewards programs to make the best decisions for your finances. Finally, always pay off your balance in full to avoid interest charges that can negate the value of your rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.